I was born in Jacksonville, Florida. I grew up out in the country, so I was raised kind of as a tomboy. I was taught to hunt, camp out, do things like that. I had a very pleasant childhood. My parents were tender-hearted and kind people, very generous. They didn't have financial resources to give away, but they were very generous in being good friends and neighbors. I was quiet as a teenager, as a child, introverted, and kind of blossomed. In high school, I was a musician. I played the violin in the Jacksonville Symphony in order to raise money to go to college. My husband and I met when I was 13 and he was 15. He was at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. I went to High Point University, so we could be together. We're 50 miles apart. After we got married, we moved to Cincinnati, Ohio for a while, and then to Detroit, Michigan. We were there for 11 years, and then my husband had an opportunity to move to Miami. And we've been here since 1977, and we dearly love it. I was a stay-at-home mom, and when the children became less dependent on me, so that's when I decided to get involved in the community and volunteer work. First of all, I volunteer at the Miami Science Museum, which is now the Patricia and Philip Frost Museum of Science. We're building a fantastic world-class facility on the waterfront downtown Miami. It'll be a museum for all ages, people from all walks of life, all cultures. It's going to be fantastic for the community. About 5 years ago, we became aware of the Chapman partnership. They empower the homeless to become independent on a permanent basis.
How are you guys today?
The downtown facility houses 500 people. It is considered a national model for holistic services for the homeless.
Well, we hope you're happy. You are a beautiful family.
Thank you for coming here, and God bless you.
64% of the people who come in, we find housing and jobs for them. That compares with a 15% success rate nationwide.
You're doing okay?
Miami is such a great city, and the thing that makes it have great character is the way it takes care of its underserved, its most vulnerable. I don't necessarily think of myself as a woman of distinction. I do think of myself as a woman of caring, because I do care about our community, I care about the homeless, I care about health care for the elderly. One question that we often get asked is, why do you give so much? There's so many ways to help out there. My question is, why can't we do more? My husband and I are very blessed, so the more blessings we have, we feel the responsibility to share more of those with others.